Hey there, Potters! Clay here, your friendly Glaizit guide and studio sidekick. Ready to share your next glaze masterpiece? Let's dive into one of the most exciting parts of Glaizit, adding your glaze combinations. Because pottery isn't just about clay and color, it's about sharing your experiments, your wins, and even your surprises with the community. Now, when you tap the plus button in Glaizit, you'll notice something new. You've got two ways to add your glaze combinations. Let's check them out. Option 1. Add a layering or combination. This one's for your publish-ready creations, the ones that are fired, finished, and ready to inspire. Choose Add a layering or combination. Upload your photos and videos, yes, videos too, to capture that glossy reveal or your layering process in motion. Then, name your combo and fill in the details, the brands and glazes you used, the colors. Finish, firing temperature, clay type, forming and decoration methods, and whether it's food safe. Once everything looks perfect, tap Publish, and your combo appears under Your Published Layering or Combos in your profile. It also shows up on the Glaze home feed for potters everywhere to see, learn from, and love. That's your finished masterpiece, shared with the world. Option 2, add a draft layering or combination. But what if your piece isn't quite ready yet? Maybe it's still drying, waiting to be fired, or you're experimenting with layers. That's where add a draft layering or combination comes in. When you're saving a draft, only two things are required: a name and at least one image or video. Everything else is optional until you're ready. Your draft stays private, safe, and visible only to you. You'll find it in your profile under your draft layering or combos. Each draft is marked with a clear draft ribbon, so you can easily track your work in progress pieces. Think of it as your digital studio journal, a place to log your tests, results, and ideas without any rush to publish. When your masterpiece is ready, firing complete and glazing perfect, just open your draft, make the final tweaks, and hit Publish. It'll instantly move to your public list under your published layering or combos and appear on the Glaizit home feed to inspire other potters around the world. So take your time, add details as your piece evolves, and build your glaze combo step by step, from idea to final fired beauty. So there you have it, two simple, powerful ways to record your glazing journey. Every combo tells a story. Yours might just spark someone else's next masterpiece. Got ideas to make Glaze even better? Drop a note to the team anytime. Until next time, keep glazing, keep experimenting, and keep building your next masterpiece, one draft at a time.